Being a stay-at-home mom is good for some people. Some people enjoy doing that, but for me, being a stay-at-home mom wasn't something that I enjoyed as. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, you're definitely welcome. Please do hit the subscribe button. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back and supporting me. So I'm just going to give you guys a quick update as to why I haven't filmed in 6 months, as to why I've just been MIA. There was just things that stopped me from coming in front of the camera and filming, and these are personal things which I am not comfortable sharing with everyone, but I'm just gonna tell you that in life things happen sometimes that will get you down, but the most important thing is that you don't remain down, you rise above that thing. There's been many challenges and stuff, but I'm glad that I was able to overcome those challenges and be where I am right now. In June, I started a new job because I needed to work, and obviously the job that I started at the time was a very challenging job. It's rewarding at the same time, but it was very challenging, and it's not something that I saw myself staying in. So I pushed myself, and I kept on pushing myself to become better. And it's not something that I did all by myself. Of course, it's by praying as well, and God being there as well. So I pushed myself to get the job that I wanted. I prayed about it. I did so many things to get the job that I wanted to get. Those of you who know me know that I studied human resource management, and that's something that I wanted to get into. And of course, when you've just graduated and you don't have that many experience, it's hard for you to get into that field. That was different. I knew that it's not something that you just give up on and just relax. I knew that it would change. So I kept on pushing, I applied for so many jobs. Of course, I did get a lot of rejection. I was so grateful that in October I managed to get my job in HR, and yes, I am working full-time now, 9 to 5, and I am a mum as well. It's not a walk in the park basically, because of course you do need to plan yourself and every day getting to work on time, dropping the kids to school and all of that. Because when you start a new job, there's the issue of having childcare as well, and I'm sure that many mums can relate to this. Like, when you start a new job, you need to have childcare, and it's not just about having just any person. It's about having someone who you can rely on, someone who you can trust with your children, someone who you won't be at work thinking, oh my gosh, is my child safe, and all of that. So yeah, childcare was another thing that I struggled with a lot when I started working. Like I say, this past 6 months, it's just been me trying to get on my feet, me improving myself as a person, me just pushing, because I'm the kind of person, I am super ambitious. I can't just feel like, okay, being a stay-at-home mom is good for some people. Some people enjoy doing that, but for me, being a stay-at-home mom wasn't something that I enjoyed as much. It was just like every day was the same. I enjoy going out there, working, and then coming back and spending time with my kids. I don't enjoy just being at home 24/7. I definitely do not enjoy that. So I could not be a stay-at-home mom. I did try, and of course I stayed at home for a reasonable amount of time before going to work. Like, my daughter was, I think, 7 months before I started applying for jobs and stuff like that. So let me just tell you, like, in life sometimes challenges happen, but as I stated before, yeah, it's about making sure that you do overcome those challenges, not just staying in the same spot, not just staying in the same place. I feel like over this last 6 months, I have definitely grown spiritually, mentally. I've matured as well. Like, I just feel like I am more confident as well. Before, for me to like sit in, even to record a YouTube video, I will have to start so many times, like start the video over again, nope, that's not good enough, start the video again, nope, that's not good enough. But now I can just record a video straight up and I get it right. That's why sometimes if you are feeling somehow, it's good to just have a break. It's good to just have a break until you can get back to that level where you can inspire other people. If I'm feeling down and I can't record, there's no point of me coming in front of the camera and trying to inspire someone else. There's no point of me coming in front of the camera and talking about motherhood. There's just no point if I'm not feeling motivated, if I'm not feeling up to that level. I just came here to just motivate someone, because I know this video here is for someone. There might be you might be maybe going through something, going through a hard time, and you just feel like just giving up. But no, don't give up, because everyone goes through a hard time. You know, don't give up, especially if you are a Christian and you know what you have inside of you. Hear the word, so you do the word, and when you do the word, you will only come out with a result. You only come out bigger and stronger and as a better person and happier. So that's what I used for me personally. And I know there was a lot of you who were asking me, where am I okay, am I gonna come back to YouTube? And I thank you all so much for those comments. I really do appreciate you guys checking up on me, making sure that I am okay. It was an experience for me which like I never did experience before. I've never like felt like so down before, but looking back at it now, I just thank God for it all, because you know, when you're going through a trial in life, well, I believe personally, when you go through a trial, you know, you are gonna come out with a testimony. You are gonna come out bigger, stronger and better. And I'm so grateful for it all. I'm just grateful for everything that's happened in this last 6 months. And I know this year is going to be a wonderful year for me and for you. Now I'm feeling so much better. I am so much happier and I am so much stronger. So anything that someone throws at me is not something that I will like just, what's the word, just freeze on, just get stuck on. Like right now, you throw something at me, boy, boy. I ain't moving. Like, it won't move me at all. It would not move me at all. There's like people who do things and they expect you to be moved. Like, you do something to me right now, I'll literally just see you, smile at you, but just know that I'm all good. It won't move me at all, not a single bit. Thank you guys for watching, and this is just like a super quick update. Anyway, I didn't want to start going into too many personal stuff.